And today, our trip is from Batangas to Pagudpud.
Okay. Si Moira din eh. Tulog pa.
A quick, short breakfast in McDonald's in South Luzon Expressway is a must.
Buti na lang, di kayo nagbaho ng mani.
Bakit? Dito magtatapos si Tasky. Okay na, Tita May? Sige.
Diretso na ba? Kasi text out.
Kakanan! Kakanan, Dad!
Marami pang energy, kaya pa-picture muna tayo sa Agoo Arc.
Yay! Ilocosur!
As we reached Ilocos Sur Arc, nakahanap din kami ng pwedeng tambayan for a few minutes para makapag-stretch.
Hi, kids! Uy! Huwag na kayo bumaba na! Dito, Ricky! Oh, let's go na, let's go. Go back to the car. Go back to the car. Yeshua!
Reshuffle muna ng passengers, kids ang napunta sa amin.
Santa Luca!
We're in Santa Luca?
Lucia.
Santa Luca? Ah, Santa Lucia pala. Next, letter E. Okay, letter E.
Elephant.
Oh,
Cartoon character.
cartoon character, letter E.
Elizabeth.
No.
Elizabeth characters.
Ewan ko na.
Wala,
Di ba?
wala ka alam. Letter E.
Correct.
Ano, wala?
I'm waiting for Sam. Oh, no, Sam. Cat is not.
Okay, next. F.
More. More bad.
Go. Yeshua's 3 points. You guys only have 1 point. Yeah, only 3 points.
E.
Oh, E. What's E?
Elsa, let's go.
Ay, Elsa. Grabe, Yeshua. Winning. Okay, letter F.
We give them glowing kids.
Letter F full of arms. Fairy.
Fairy godmother.
Oh, fairy godmother.
No,
Okay,
it's the name. It's the character.
Fairy godmother only. Okay, next. Letter F, E, E, F. G, letter G. Ay, grabe, sa G meron. I know someone.
Rana. Garno.
No. He's a cat.
I know that.
Big orange cat.
Garfield.
Grabe, Yeshua. Papa ko, pwede mo naman na.
It's the one with the big things.
No.
The kids don't know who Garfield
That's
is.
Puss in Boots.
I know.
Okay, next. Letter H.
H.
He
Hi.
has big muscles. He has big muscles.
Hannes.
Hermes.
Ha?
Hermes.
Sino yun?
Cartoon character from the Greek gods. You know the character?
Hercules?
Hercules.
Ay, sus Maria ako. Wala ka. Basta.
Hannes.
Oh, 4 points lang. 4 points. I. Letter I think.
Iguana.
Letter I.
Istanbul.
What? Isa. Hi. I am you.
Okay. J. Letter J.
James. Jaguar from Dora. It's the cousins.
Ulo, walang yung Jaguar ang name?
Jaguar yung name.
Okay, you kids, para mas mananalo kayo.
No?
The one in Aladdin. What's the name of the girl in
Jamar.
Aladdin?
Jamar.
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Okay, tama.
Hey,
Okay,
hey,
Joshua, 4
hey.
points ka naman. Grabe ka. Okay, letter K.
6.0.
No. What?
Okay, letter K na.
Wait, wait.
They don't get minus na.
Kan doon, ngayon pala magkakita.
Next one.
Ano, next, letter N.
Yeah, we're tied now at 5.
Guatemala.
N, wala.
Wait, I know this character from Moana with the letter T.
N, what T? N,
T.
Wala
No,
ka.
N.
Oh, next, O.
What is?
Huh?
One Piece.
One Piece, oh, very
Yes!
good. Okay, next, O, P.
Kids are on the lead now.
Okay, 6 ng kids. Ikaw, Yashua, 6'10". Okay.
Moana.
Oh, P, letter P, guys. Think, because you're gonna be ahead of you.
The man who works in the boat with muscles.
Okay.
Oo nga, the one with
Who is-
eating spinach.
The one who gets speed as he gets strong.
Yeah, with
He's a,
I know that.
He's a sailor.
Say it.
He's a sailor.
Oh my God.
Popeye.
Popeye. Okay, Q. Where?
Hindi.
I know, the queen in the ponies. What's the name?
Oh.
Queen Elsa.
Ay, Queen Elsa. Pwede, Queen Elsa. But you already said Elsa in here, so,
No, it's gonna be redundant.
yeah.
You
Who
only
else is a queen? Wait lang, magtigil. Who else is a queen?
Next. Wait, no. What's the name again?
Oh, next now. Oh, letter U. Go. She's the villain in The Little Mermaid.
Ursula.
Oh, yes, you got it.
No.
So, 8-8 now. 8-8. Okay. U, what's next? Letter T.
Kapiti.
Guys, you're so slow. Okay, Yashua got 9. 9-8. Letter T. V, letter V now.
Wait, but you tas pabalik.
Kasi nga, yung tafiti kanina si Yashua na una, so iniba ko yung letter.
Standards on the Quaker Barbie. I was never cut out for prom queen. If I'm pretty, will you like me? They say beauty makes boys happy. I've been starving myself carving. Till my bones are showing. Teach me how to be okay. No, it's supposed to be
Okay.
be okay.
Siya naman nakasabok.
They say beauty is fake. You'll always be happy if you look the same.
Wow, there's ocean over there. Oh, bakit tayo naman na doon?
Yeah. This time only one person.
Magaling ka, mahirap ka.
It's okay.
This time only one.
Dad, tell me.
Look like Angel.
She was still improve.
Discussion.
Who is small?
Who's better in singing?
My
Tita Faith or May?
Tita May.
Both.
So 2 votes for Tita Faith, 2 votes for isa tie.
Sa tayo. Oh, who's more beautiful? May or Faith?
Tita May.
May.
Ricky, who?
Both.
Tita May.
Okay.
Hindi binuto yung nanay niya.
I put both.
Who's nicer? May or Faith?
My mom. Because my mom doesn't shout at me. She only gets mad, but it's fine. She said she always every time I say sorry, she like hugs me later.
How about Tita Faith?
She doesn't.
She
Because
does.
it's your mom, that's why.
How about Ricky? Who's nicer? Tita May or your mom? Ricky.
He's thinking.
Tita May
Okay.
makes fun of Ricky, what do you mean?
We only have 2 options, guys.
Tita May makes fun of Ricky nga, so, I mean,
What do you mean?
I don't know why Ricky's thinking.
You don't choose your mom again?
Tita May is
She always
making fun
shouts
of
at
you,
me.
Ricky. Dad,
Wow, it's very good for you.
And now we are in the Calle Crisologo of Vegan City. We are here to have fun and of course to eat dinner.
Hi! Guys, say hi! Moira! Hi! Oy, Biggs! Umaamo, Biggs! Biggs! Gusto ka niya! Umaamo siya sa'yo! Hi, Horsey! Take care of them! Bye, guys! Yashua! 3! Ay, kabayo! Ay, kabayo po! Hello! Hi! Moira, how was it?
Good.
Wow! Was just good or great?
Why did you come?
Yashua! Brian!
You guys are riding Elsa?
Hi! So we're now...
Daughter.
You're the daughter. We are now in Ilocos Norte from Vigan, we just had our dinner in Vigan, and then we are now on our way to Pagudpud. It will be 3 hours from Vigan, actually, towards the resort or the accommodation, the transient house that we contacted. And biglaan lang to, guys, as in kakakontak lang namin ngayon as we leave Vigan. Kakakontak lang namin ng transient house doon, and it's already 8:30 PM. Ayan, di ba? So 8:30 PM na. Hopefully makarating tayo ng alas 12, 9, 10, 11, 11:30 or 12. Nag-aantay naman na sila sa atin. Maaga rin tayo aalis tomorrow. We're going to explore the entire Pagudpud, yung mga windmills and whatever na we can find in Pagudpud. And after that, we will stay another night, and then we'll spend Christmas in Pagudpud for the first time. Yay! Yasha's behind, and Biggs. Asa si Biggs to?
Mommy, what colors? Mommy, what colors are the rooms on the pink one?
Ilang colors na, kaluka ka.
I saw,
Baka see you
I saw
later.
green.
Here we are in Kabugao. Aray ko, ano ba yun? Lawag. Oh, may ano kanya? May lawang kanya.
Nahilaw mo na limang ko.
Ha?
Pagudpud.
Mandatory shot muna tayo sa Pagudpud Arc.
Get our triple and transient house in Pagudpud. Bigla ang booking.
Make boys happy. I've been starving my Mom,
The windmills are here!
Mommy.
Oh,
the windmills are so large.
Oh.
Ew.
Ganda.
Can I see?
Wala.
Now we are on our way to Kapurpurawan Rock Formation, and we paid 30 pesos per person because the kids are already considered adults because they're 7 and 8. 6 and below are free of charge.
Echo.
And look at the view going to Kapurpurawan.
Windmill.
Itong view sa side, tapos yung front. So there will be 3 to 5 kilometers drive from the entrance. Tapos maglalakad na daw ng roughly 3 to 5 minutes, pero may horse kung ayaw mo maglakad.
Look at the ocean. Yeah.
Oh
Look at
my
it. Look.
gosh.
It's so pretty. Wait, we're gonna swim there. What?
Smile! Okay, come here. It's a video. Run towards the camera. Yeah!
Panahon na pumunta kami, parang katatapos lang ng bagyo that time. And eto na nga, sobrang hangin. Pero mukhang mahangin naman talaga sa place, kaya nga may windmill sila, diba? Medyo nadagdagan lang ng current panahon.
Hi. Say hi. Yun lang.
I am not sure if there is an area for swimming in this Kapurpurawan location, but we haven't seen anyone swimming around the area at medyo mabato talaga siya. Nagpicture-picture na lang kami, ayan, nag-enjoy kami, magpa-picture, ang ganda ng paligid, naghubad na ako ng dress ko, flinex ko ang aking swimsuit, and of course, ang number one fan ko na husband ko ang nagpicture sa akin. And of course, family picture kahit kagulo ng buhok namin.
Start! Ano ba yan? No! Mabigat! We are now on our way to the windmill. Ano, Baruyan Access Road to Windmills. OMG! OMG, guys! OMG! We go. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to us. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to us.
So lunch is done. We're going now to Blue Lagoon.
This is Pagudpud, guys. Ayan. Going to the town proper. It's gloomy today. Look at that. At dahil dumating kami ng umuulan dito sa Blue Lagoon, ito yung itsura niya pag umuulan, guys. Pero it's still so beautiful. Iba nga lang yung iba nga lang, medyo aggressive ngayon ang waves natin, no? Yung dagat natin. Ayan, guys. Ang waves. Yun ang waves niya, medyo malakas. Amihan. So now we are in Bantay Abot Cave. Ayan. Ayun ang cave sa baba. Yun, makikita nyo sa dagat. But because it's so ayan yung dagat. Ayan, baka tayo ay lamunin ng dagat. Talagang nanlalamon siya ngayon. Ayan ang bundok. Ayan, medyo gloomy talaga tayo. Pero ang ganda. Hi! So we are now in Bantay Abot Cave. And by the way, the weather is not so nice. Pero nevertheless, napakaganda pa rin ng Bantay Abot Cave. Napakaganda ganda po. Hindi po na-justify ng camera. So, nandito tayo sa abandoned hotel. Ito yun.
Sticky!
At nandito na yung Blue Lagoon, just in front of it.
Marami ang nagsasabi na itong hotel na ito ay naabandon na matagal na panahon na at dahil doon, marami na daw nagpapakita dito. Ibig sabihin, haunted na to. Marami na akong napanood na vlogs, nag-ghost hunting sila dito. Pero kami, happy-happy lang. Parang mas nakakatakot yung waves. Pag lumangoy ka dyan, parang Pacific Ocean na pag-ahon mo. Naghahanap kami ng resort na pwede namin pagstayhan. Hanggang dumating na kami sa dulo, wala kami nakita kasi halos lahat destroyed na. Ito yung resort sa kaduluduluhan. Alam ko, campingan to. And napakaganda sana niya. Actually, hindi pa rin maitago ang ganda ng lugar kahit na sinira na ito ng bagyo.
Ayan, dahil sa bagyong Pepito daw, ito nag-itsura ngayon ng Blue Lagoon, yung dulo. Ayan, sobrang nasira daw, napagod na sila, kakalinis. Bumabalik pa rin daw. Ayun. Ito yung camping site area. Ayan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Blue Lagoon, pero yung Blue Lagoon natin parang abandoned. Sobrang nasira siya ng bagyong Pepito daw. Ayun. Sayang. Medyo maulan pa ngayon. Ayan. If you can see right now, parang abandoned area na itong Blue Lagoon. Hindi na siya masyadong attractive. Ayan. Pero siguro maayos to. Then, balik ulit ang kasiyahan ng mga taong gusto pumunta ng Blue Lagoon Pagudpud. Bawal daw mag-picture.
Nalaglag na yung mga
Egyptian.
Pharaoh.
Mga pharaohs. Ayan. Guys, tingnan nyo naman. Look at the sea. Look at the sea.
Maybe there can be a
Kita?
Hindi pa yan.
May space dito kasi.
Pero ang ganda mo pa picture
You can
dyan.
give us a bandage. I hate it when
Hindi pa yan. This is the Patapat Viaduct.
The guard said, here's a bandage.
Oh my God.
I could have
Dulo na po ito ng Philippines. Tip of the Philippines na.
There's a lot of blood in this one.
Diyan, sa gilid.
Dati.
Sa gitna! Sa gitna! Video.
Merry Christmas, Mommy!
Ano?
Uy, marami pang
Ay.
souvenirs bukas, Yesh.
Get
We
me
need to
your
buy.
white phone mo, please.
Go na.
I will change the music. Yeah, sure.
Joshua,
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride without morality.
hey!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride along with... I don't know.
Okay. What do you want to tell Tito Mark?
You're my favorite Tito Mark. And Tita
Yeah.
Benna. Wow.
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 Oh, how about you?
Oh, that's his mom.
What's
This
up,
was the
sir?
next morning. Thank you, Triple and Transient House Pagudpud.
This is the entrance of Saud.
This is Saud Beach Resort and few kilometers away from Transient and Pagudpud. Undeniably, the resort's ambience perfect. Ang ganda ng kanilang landscape, ang ganda ng mga puno, nakaka-relax talaga yung itsura. Very commendable kumbaga. Pero guys, don't be fooled by ganda kasi talagang ang pangit ng service nila. Marami na ako nakitang bad reviews against them pero tuloy lang kasi ang gusto naman namin yung maganda eh. Day tour lang naman. So quick kwento regarding the service. Security guard is amazing. Yung reception, masungit. Walang smile kami nakita. We felt unwelcomed, kumbaga. Since gutom na kami, nag-ask kami kung pwede kami mag-breakfast. By the way, we stayed like for couple of hours lang. But of course, we paid the day tour rate. So yun na nga, gusto namin ng food. Ayaw niya mag-serve. Bawal daw, exclusive lang sa nag-check-in. Ano ba yun? Wow! Wow! Oh! And buti nilang ang ganda ng beach. Bawing-bawi naman yung pagkataray at sungit ni ate sa reception. Sabi na lang namin, tara, enjoy na lang natin ang beach. Hayaan mo na nga siya.
Wow! Kasi ganan mo. Okay. Okay na yun, grabe no? Hi! Hi! Taski!
Dito. Maintain ka sa ako.
Motik dati.
Dito. Tabi mo sa
Excuse me. Smile.
After our lunch, we passed by Bangi again to check out some more souvenirs. At para makadami pa tayo ng pictures.
Hi, Mom. Hi.
1
And next to Cape Bojador Lighthouse. Hindi ko alam kung tama ang pronunciation. Thank you so much! Uy, guys! Wait for me! Naunan na. Kaya tayo dyan. Thank you po! Ay, the Factura family pala ito. Moira's first time to eat ice candy. She didn't know how to eat it. She thought it's going to be ripped off here.
I like that.
So you have to rip off that part for you to eat it.
I got also.
Yes. Daddy. Hi. Naku po, galing kami Maynila, 16 hours of binahe namin, pagod. Hindi po pwede. Opo. Marami po kasi kami hinto-hinto.
Okay lang,
Opo. Kasi may mga bata, pagod po kapag mapapagod sobra kapag kaano. Here's the empanada. Special empanada of Ilocos. Right. There's gulay and meat and egg. Let me try it with vinegar kasi sabi nila may suka daw. Although I'm a little hesitant kung ano magiging lasa kung may suka. Ayan. Tulo-tulo lang tayo kasi baka sumobra.
What's that?
Tastes better than suka. Napadaan kami sa isang Marine Brigade pagkatapos namin sa lighthouse. Pumunta kami kasi parang may event sila. Ayan, nag-enjoy naman yung mga kids. Isang balak. Man, sige.
Hi!
Grabe.
At dumaan naman kami sa Paway Sand Dunes. We enjoyed so much. Now, Paway Sand Dunes. Let's go. Pala walang kilometer, ano lang sila away from each other. Is that a church? Or no? I don't think so.
Yeah!
Yes, sir.
Ngayon.
Oh my God!
Baita! Ay, galing! Perfect! Perfect! Woo!
Hold ah.
Woo!
Bilis. Bilis.
Bagong record.
Yay! Woo! Hi!
Okay na po?
Yay, Brian!
Okay na, Sam?
Wala. Pinalabas.
Okay na, Ma'am.
Ilalabas yung pama, ma'am. Ma'am, yung bag mo, lagay mo sa una.
Ito na niya.
God bless. Be safe! Be safe! I hope you don't die!
Simba ko.
I believe in you! First and
Bilis, bilis, bilis.
First and peace.
Hindi mo bago.
Lala. Okay na, Ma'am. Ah, sana lang.
Bigs.
You don't want? I do. I'm going with Zia. Oh. You said you didn't want.
Ano, sir?
Okay. R.I.P. I said R.I.P.
Go, Bigs!
I ate the sound.
Ang tahimik
I
naman ng
didn't eat the
pagkakaano ni Sa unahan, si Zia na sa likod. Kasi you're heavy.
Mommy, where am I?
And damit. Tatlo. Kasha ba? Hindi.
What?
What if she
Hawak yung isa sa gitna kay Moira.
Pampabend mo yung paa niya.
Forward.
Sa likod sa inyo.
Siya po. Kasi ang likod po yan. Moira?
Forward.
Moira,
Forward.
your legs don't... Forward ka
forward
pa.
na.
Don't
Legs in the... Your feet in the front. Wrap around. Move forward.
No,
Your
Moira,
legs.
your...
More.
For Zia. More pa daw.
Hindi ganun na.
Bestie.
Okay, come on.
Sit down.
I don't want.
Move forward. Move forward. Move
And then
forward.
you hold Zia.
More.
And you, ma'am.
Move
Forward.
forward, see. Move forward.
More.
Bri, May. Ricky.
Hug Zia.
No, I'm gonna die.
May gilid din sa
No, I'm gonna die.
Hindi. Ricky.
Sa baba mo i-hug.
Pwede kaya ito dito?
It's gonna be fun.
Baka mas mahirapan. Sige, try natin.
Ricky.
Move forward.
Dito na lang sa taas.
Yan,
Backward.
Mami, can I switch you?
Ricky.
Hold on.
Do not extend your legs outside of the board.
Hold on, hold.
Okay?
Go na. Go.
Hold on.
Ay,
Hold mo na, see. Hold on. Bigyan.
Okay, hold na.
Wow.
Ricky, hold on. Ang bilis nila.
Kauban.
I wanna go first. What if you put the phone house?
Naka-play na no, ma'am. Naka-play na, no? Okay.
Oh, Tia. Don't put your head on chin. Don't put your chin. Don't put your head.
Wala pa kayo bang phone? Yung tanong ko?
Oppo.
Eh, sila!
Ay sila, may phone pa?
Kaso,
Pause muna ko.
Tanggalin ko, ma'am.
Pause lang po.
Tayo pa na, ma'am.
Hello!
Lego na. Ay,
Ay, play na pa. Oh, yes na, hold na. It's time for your Tasha.
I don't want to comment.
Are you going to donate?
Emang nunggu ni son? Kaganda tayo. Ate, matumba na tayo plug mo.
Benta ko yung yun.
Wala mo. Sa kabila sir.
Guys!
Good.
Bigs!
Hi.
ito yung speed.
Open the window. Banggar, La Union. Ilan ng aking patinga.
It was in La Union when we had our late dinner before heading back to Manila.